Hi, this is Daniel and today I'm going to show you how you can freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve in a second. Okay, so let's say that this is our video we would like to freeze frame at. First of all, we have to choose the frame we would like to freeze. In my case, let's say that I would like to freeze this frame as this whale is at the top as it just jumped off the ocean. So now I want to split the video at this part. So I will simply click on S, or I will go to this blade edit mode and I will use it at this area. Now I will zoom in a little bit. So I will click on this plus and I will click on right arrow once to move by one frame. And now I can use this blade tool once again. So I will click there. Now, as you can see, we separated this clip that we would like to freeze and we can go back to selection mode. I will move to the right end of the video. But now, of course, we want to freeze this one frame. So I will select this frame, right click and go to change clip speed. Here, all I have to do is check the freeze frame and click on change. Now the frame is freezed and I can change the duration of the clip by my needs. So let's say that I want to make it as long so it will connect both parts of the videos, or of course we can make it even longer, just like this. And now voila, this is how you can easily freeze your frame in DaVinci Resolve. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found it what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all of the support, and see you all next time.